Did you order more Tesla stuff?
Ha ha! You're gonna love this. So we just got a box in from Teslaunch. I'm really excited about this. This is a carbon fiber rear spoiler from Teslaunch. They packed it really nice. A lot of protection here. Comes with adhesive tape. And then the spoiler itself is packed very nicely inside this box, like it's not going to get damaged for sure. Let's see what this baby looks like. I've been really excited about this. This is really going to accent the Tesla very nicely. This is for the Model Y Juniper. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right. So we're just going to go ahead. First thing we're going to do, we're going to get this tape out. It's like a 3M style tape that you would get, but this is from Teslaunch itself. And the tape, we're going to put it down here along the edge and here along the edge. And then this is just going to stick right onto the car. So what I'm going to do after I get this in, you notice I'm going to put a little bit in these corners. I'm going to go ahead and trim that off, and then I'll trim it off a little more exact with my razor blade before we go out, just because for me, I want to make sure that these corners are fastened down really well. Then we'll go ahead and find center. I understand there may be better ways of doing this. If there are, if you feel like your way's better, feel free to comment and help the community along. We have no problems with constructive criticism or constructive information on our channel. So you go ahead and let us know what you think we may have done wrong and what can help the next person. What we don't want to do is make this more difficult or do it in a way that it doesn't work as well as it possibly could. This side's going to be a little more difficult. Sorry about my tongue. Something I picked up from my grandfather. My tongue is out whenever I'm working and concentrating, so, you know, Chastity's had to deal with it for 27 years now. You can deal with it for 6 minutes. Everything that we have gotten from Teslaunch has been super easily installed, much like the rim protectors. The rim protector link is in the description. Use discount code Moonlight for 10% off all Teslaunch accessories. So let's go out. Let's trim this the rest of the way up with a razor blade and let's get it installed. All right, so we got the adhesive on here. I'll tell you, it's a little more difficult to get the tape backing off than anything else with this installation, but here we go. I'm excited about this. Let's see what it looks like. I think that is a sharp look. It really gives some depth to the car. Makes it a little longer looking. And then the texture of the carbon fiber is just sharp. It's nice and sleek. This is on there very well. Super secure, very sharp. This install was very easy. It only took about 20 minutes from start to finish, and it really gave the car a sporty and sharp look. We really think you're going to like it. If you're interested in purchasing one of these spoilers, click the link in the description and use that 10% discount code Moonlight. And we'll thank you guys so much. And if you want to see more Tesla stuff, more Tesla adventures, click the link right up above Chastity's head. Right there it is. We're out.